Welcome back to Review Diesel, guys. We got a really good common sense part here for anyone that owns a 6.7 Powerstroke, 11 to present 25. This part will fit your truck. Fleece includes the gaskets to install it. Everything you need comes in the box. The factory piece where your thermostats are housed is plastic. So they crack, they split, they leak, they for some reason turn white and get really crusty, like almost like the coolant seeping through the plastic. So it just looks gross. This is a really nice upgrade, really nice machine work, very high quality. There's a lot of these floating around. You're going to see them online for $20, $25. They're made in China. They're probably not going to hold up. They're very, very thin, very low quality. I highly recommend, if you're going to upgrade your thermostat housing, go with the Fleece unit. Go ahead, throw 2 brand new thermostats in there while you're at it, and flush the system. Number one thing that diesel owners do not do that I've seen over the last 20 years cause major issues down the road is everybody changes their oil filter and their fuel filter, and some people service their transmissions. Nobody services their cooling system. Over time, that coolant has additive packages in it that will break down. That stuff's going to clog up radiators, oil coolers, things of that nature. It's why the 6.0 Powerstroke has such a bad rap, because people simply don't service the cooling system. So get you the Fleece thermostat housing. You can buy it right here at reviewdiesel.com. We'll post a link in the comments below. But save your money, buy it once. Don't go for the cheaper option. These things are made in America, no tariffs. And keep up on the channel. We got a bunch more parts that we're going to be doing videos on as well. And I got Nishimoto sending some parts down. So click on the bell, subscribe, and stay up to date with all the alerts. And we'll see you guys in the next video.